Hey babies, I thought I would go ahead and do the DIY project with the lights up under the island. So let's get into it. Thank y'all for coming back and watching me. I appreciate it. So I thought today I would go ahead and put the lights up underneath the island and see how many I have left to put up underneath the cabinet. So that's what we're gonna do today. Shout out to my nail tech who came over to me and did my nails today. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So we got these here are the charging cords, the little adapters, one for each. And here I had to mute myself because I said that these were for mounting, but they are actually magnets. Oh, it has sticky here, adhesive here, so I think you just peel this off and stick them where you want them to go. I heard that there was enough charge on here, so I don't have to charge them at first. There is an off switch, or an on switch, an off switch, and then an auto switch. And I think auto is what I want it to be on. So when I walk by, the light just pops on. So let's see if it actually works if I turn it on. Oh, that's bright. Goodness. Well, that's what we want to see. Just like that. So I'm gonna turn it off. I wonder if I put it on auto and wave my hand. It's not working. I wonder how that auto works. But anyway, there's a place to charge it right here. And I guess you just put this in there. Or no, sorry. You put the little side in there, like that. And then you plug it up into whatever charger you have. I never usually take the plastic off of my stuff. I always keep it on. I don't know why. So it's not gonna bother me to stay on. Let's see if I can take the sticky stuff off. So I took that one off. Oh shoot, well what the hell? So these are just extra. So they're extra sticky things for here. So once you peel this off, that's gonna give you your sticky part to attach wherever you want it to go. This fell off, but this is why reading is fundamental. Because if you read the note, it says only the U-shaped area has a built-in magnet. So you make sure the metal plates are attached to the U-shaped area before each installation. So one side is sticky, one side is not. You place this on the U-shaped magnet like that. So that's what you get for not reading the directions. Okay, so now that's on. This side was still on, and you got the sticky sides here. So now we're just gonna place this up underneath the island. Okay. Okay. Hey babies, I'm back. I'm just gonna take this. I'm doing two. Place one here, and then one here. So now we're just gonna do the second one. You can also attach the light to any iron surface directly. You need to take off metal plates first. Oh, that's good to know. So you could take these metal plates off, and since there's magnets in here, It'll just attach or stick to any metal surface. What else does it say? If the light is dim when you receive it, please adjust the brightness and charge it first. That's good to know too. So if it's dim when you turn it on, that's not dim at all though. That's really, really bright. But you can adjust the lighting. I guess that's what this button is for. I don't know, I didn't read the directions because I never do. But I want to know how this auto thing is supposed to work. Oh, look at there. So when I touched this ball here, the light came on. So I guess that's the auto. So you have to, this is like the sensor. Look at us figuring it out. Okay. Got old lady knees. Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. What I like about these is that you get the extra stickies. Now once you run out of these, I don't know. But once that stops sticking, you do have a pack, another pack, or 2 more. So that's it for that. Now let's put a couple underneath the cabinets. So this is what it looks like when you take it out the box. The instructions come with it, even though I didn't read it. I don't know if I showed y'all, you get a few little screws. If you wanted to screw it somewhere, you get a few of those. Okay, we're just gonna do this one more time. Here's to the kitchen. Okay, and I'm just gonna place this under here. I don't really know how far back to put it, if it should be up like this or back like this, but I'm thinking just like the middle. This on auto. I think auto's the last one, and that's that. So when we walk by at night, that should come on. And I got one more we're gonna put on this side. Put it on auto. And that's that. Those look good. I like that. I like that a lot. And you can't even see it here. Let's see if it works. All right. So I'm gonna turn out the lights. I just wanted y'all to see that comes on, and look how pretty it is. And then let's see if we walk over here, how it just pops on by itself. That is pretty freaking neat. I like that. So that's what that looks like. And I will be getting one more for this side. I need another one for up under here. Y'all know me, I never get as many as I need when I need to get it. So let's see here. And you see how they just popped on? Let's see if this one pops on. Yep. So me just walking by, it popped on. So that looks pretty good. And so the chairs being here don't stop it from cutting off. You actually have to, there has to be motion. So that looks good up under there. All right. So besides that, those lights, that's pretty much all I've done for the rest, or for this weekend. I did get in a package from Amazon. I just wanted to show y'all really quick. I love to get my satin pillowcases from Amazon. They're a really good deal. And I like to change out my satin pillowcases often. for my hair and my face, so it won't break my face out. So I got these satin gray pillowcases. And then I got another pair in the lighter gray. And I love these pillow cases. They're like a satin material. They're really good for your hair to sleep on, and for if you have sensitive skin, they're good for your face too. So I got this color and the darker ones, and then the green pair. If you do like satin pillowcases, I'll leave the link for these in the description box. Here's a quick view of the pillowcases. I'm going into the bathroom to show you that I moved the mannequin from the office to the bathroom. But I don't think I like it here. I think it's crowding my bathroom. And so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. Okay, well that's it. I just wanted to show y'all the lights that we put up underneath the island and underneath the cabinets in the kitchen. They turned out to be super duper easy to install and really cute, especially with the lights off. They work well, and I will leave the link for those in the description box, because you do know that I am an Amazon affiliate marketer, and as an Amazon affiliate marketer, I earn on qualifying purchases. So the link for those will be in the description box. The link for the mannequin I could put in the description box, and the link for those new knot pillows that I showed you last time. I can leave those in the description box as well. Other than that, I thank you all for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye, babies. Say goodnight, Kizzy. I don't know what the heck he think he doing on my freaking couch, but he know I don't play that. I don't play that boogie butt. Say goodnight. Hi, Moo. Easiest DIY ever. 2 thumbs up. Easiest DIY project ever. 2 thumbs up. They're easy to install, renter friendly. I would definitely recommend. The link will be in the description box. Hey babies, welcome back. This is what we're gonna do today. Get it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, babies.